Hello, this is Maxi Boat. I'm Pablo, and today I explain you how explore the north coast of Mallorca without license and rent this little boat and explore it with your family. Enjoy the day on this simple boat. Not need a license. Okay, this little boat have a small engine, 15 horses power, is maximum possible without license in Spain, and it's very important when you go outside you keep the distance from the coastline because sometimes it's rocks on the water, and we show you the map where it's possibly going. You need to be careful, be careful with the propeller. Okay, and have a swimming leather. When you want to go to swim, it's very important. First of all, you turn off the engine, and when you finish the swim, you need remember close back the swimming leather, and have a fuel tank. Fuel tank is normally is enough for more than 8 hours. Okay, in the seat locker you have a big area, big space for your bags. Your things is completely dry, is no problem with water. Inside here have emergency things like paddles, emergency paddles. Okay, have air pump for good pressure on the tubes, on the inflatable tubes, and have a little scoop. If it's too much water, it's possibly use the scoop, or the other option also you have inside bilge pumps, and is very safety for completely dry and very safety for your things, your bags. Okay, in console locker you have papers for every papers for the boat, have a map and little instruction how is work, or telephone numbers, emergency numbers, and insurance papers for this boat. Also inside you have first aid, safety equipment, have emergency flashes, emergency signals for if it's any problem, it's possibly you call to the other boats. Okay, and also have a fire extinguishers, and this boat have a GPS tracker. We know every time your position on our phone. Okay, in this part of the boat you have cushions for sunbath area, and inside have a big space for little cooler. Have a little cooler and have a life jackets maximum for 8 people, and more space for your things, your bags. Okay, when you drive this boat and you arrive to the beautiful place, is you want to stop for swim, snorkeling, is very important. Fix the boat. Inside in front here you have a anchor, and how you know where is possible put the anchor is very important. You look around, no Posidonia, okay, and only sandy bottom on the water. Okay, 2, 3, 4 meters deep, not in 20, because if you drop in 20, anchor doesn't work, it's too deep. Okay, how you know how many meters is, you need measure. Okay, first of all you in close position the anchor, in close position like this, you drop the anchor and put on the water until rope doesn't go in more. Okay, and now you measure like 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have 3 meters deep. Okay, now you open anchor, lock, and also drop in sandy bottom. Okay, loose long rope and fix rest here on the front. Okay. How to use the life jackets, okay? You take one, okay, put like this, have a 2 line around and put these 2 lines and here inside, okay, and fix on the front, stronger, and is ready to use. Okay, when you're ready to start the engine, okay, it's very important correct neutral position, because if it's not correct neutral position, engine doesn't start. Okay, you need to put neutral, okay, and it's very important this line is connected in this position because it's safety line. You need every time on your hand like this, okay, for safety, emergency stop. You put the neutral, turn with the key and a little bit choke. Okay, is ready to go. When you drive the boat, you go forward, you push the clutch, the red button, and you go forward. Neutral and backward. Okay, normally stop, turn off the key. If it's any problem, something not okay, you pull out this line and engine is safety stop. Okay, this is everything about this little simple boat, and more in deep we explain you day when you're coming. And well, see you soon. We wait for you in Port de Sóller.